Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management, or even landing page services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So now let's get forward to the question I have today, and the question is. Um, I started a Google search campaign about 3 months ago with the help of a friend that knew a little about Google Ads. Campaign was simple with no ad group, about 10 keywords, all phrase match, only extension was call extension and just basic assets. So people, let me show you the ad assets so you guys can have an idea. This is a regular ad and these are all ad assets. For instance, this is a price asset. This is how you can see your ad with the price. This is an advertiser rating. This is a call extension. This is a side link extension. So you can see how your ad could be with different extensions or assets, or better call it assets. So he is saying that he run that with the basic with the call extension and basic assets. With the basic assets, I assume that it's just a side link extension and a call extension. There is nothing more. Like this was an ad he ran. So you can see, just showing you how it can be previewed. $25 a day. It was running 24 by 7, 20 miles radius from the address and Google business profile. So from your location, you are targeting onto 20-mile radius in a round circle. Not something like right side 20, not in a left side, but in the round circle targeting the 20 miles radius. And we had a basic landing page for lead forms. The mistake was we never set up conversion tracking until 30-40 days after starting the campaign. Biggest blunder. Biggest ever blunder was, people do not set tracking, is not doing conversion tracking is a biggest ever blunder people have done so far, in my opinion. And because all of your marketing strategy can be wasted due to this. But now let's move on to the questions. Further question. Results were okay, and I just noticed an increase on calls, so I was happy. So yeah, okay. About 2 months, he advised to switch the two best keywords to broad match, and I experienced a big drop in calls for about 3 weeks. So I returned the keywords to phrase match, but never get the same amount of calls and leads to the point where I posed the campaign because I was having almost no conversions and I was paying Google for those 3 weeks. About 2 weeks ago, I enabled the campaign and run it again, and after lots of YouTube videos, I separate the keywords into three ad groups myself. I changed the schedule to only Monday to Friday, only the times of operation 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and I added three more keywords that I researched on my own that have good traffic and low competition. My budget is $35 a day, but my CPC went up like double, and I'm noticing very low conversions, but the amount of calls still low. Cost per conversion is $47. I now have a bigger budget for the ad, so I want to go with $50 to $70 a day. My specific questions are: is it better to start a new campaign from scratch with a bigger budget, or fix this one and increase budget little by little to take advantage of the collected data so far? Number two, I started the campaign at the beginning of the summer, which here in LA is high season. Since that has just passed, could it be that the increase of CPC conversion is due to the low demand and high competition and not to anything wrong with the campaign? Okay, so let me answer all of your questions. So, is it better to start over a new campaign from scratch? Okay, this could be an option. This could be an option. Why this could be an option? Because previously it didn't have any data tracked. So this could be an option, and you can start over and again, and this may be helpful for you as well. Regarding your second question, is I started the campaign, and could it be that the increase on CPC and conversion is due to the low command and high competition? Okay, whenever there is a demand is low, then the competition also decreased. Okay, no one wants to go with expenses, so CPC also tends to go low down. In majority of the scenarios, I'm saying in majority of the scenarios, your high CPC is due to your poor quality score. Save it, save it, save it. There is only one formula, and that is highly relevant keyword with relevant landing page with relevant ad copy. Okay, that is the winning formula to increase your quality score. Okay, also there are things people forget is that there could be something you can do on your landing page site. You can add few CTAs on landing page that could help. Look around on your competitors, you may get new ideas. Okay, now for another thing, what I do suggest you is, once you open your Google Ads account, what I suggest you is, the day, as you said, you have done the changes. Okay, like you said in the top that uh, uh, you done the changes after about 2 months. So what I want you guys is to go and search terms and copy those exact keywords rather running your campaigns. I'm suggesting you to copy those, like, for instance, this is one of the client account, and you can see, let me show you. Okay, first thing is you need to also add negative search keywords. So I suggest you to work on your, okay, landing page competitors plus your conversion tracking plus negative keywords. Okay, focus on these things. Also, you have to improve your landing page as well. And second thing, which I suggest, the people who wants their Google Ads to go on perfect, is to, you know look for your search term report, and like 2 months before, see what are the exact keywords from your traffic is coming from, and actually copy those keywords and paste it in exact match. So copy old keywords from search term, not regular searches but search terms, and put them on executive match with high list of negative keywords, and this could actually bring your conversions back. So copy that, and this could be a very ideal situation where you can get your campaign data back to the position where you were getting most of the sales, like in the beginning. So I hope this answers your question. I also shared some insights through which you can increase your conversions. Also, there could be more data, like bidding strategies can be looked around to see what can be improved over there. More ad copies, even we can work on offers. Offer we are selling to our customer, we can improve on that, and adding more CTs to the landing page could definitely help for more calls. And running specific call campaigns rather than running a search campaign, we can also run the call campaign. So the call ads, you know that could help and improve your more sales. So I hope I answers all of your queries. In case if you need a professional help with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I look forward working with you. Make sure to hire us through the link in the description. Take care and bye bye, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care, bye bye.